3, 2, 1.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching this video. Welcome to Moneycoin Apps and Airdrop. Just in case this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel or my page on YouTube, please do ensure to click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification icon so you will always be the first to get information whenever I upload new video to this channel. Okay, today I'll be teaching us how to claim some airdrop on Genio Wallet. So if you don't have this wallet, you have to download it from Play Store. I'll be dropping the link below which you will use to download this wallet. Now when you've done that, the next thing we have to do, because we don't have an account yet with them, we'll come to generate new wallet. I'll click on it. It will bring out recovery phase, so we have to back up that recovery phase. So I have to copy this recovery phase before I click on continue. So the next thing I'll do, I'll click on continue. Now when it brings out this option, say backup secret recovery phase, if I share with others, if I share my secret recovery phase to others, my asset will be stolen. I will accept. If I lost my secret phase, if I lose my secret phase, my asset will be gone forever. I will accept. Now it is my responsibility to safeguard my secret recovery phase. I will accept. And the next thing I do, I'll click on complete backup, verify it. So I'll click on it. Then the next thing I have to do, I have to enter my recovery phase. After I have verified, I'll click on continue. Now it will bring me to the interface. So here in the interface, what we have here, we have setting, reward, binary, wallet. Now when we come to setting, we have our information, manage wallet, dark mode, preference, security, contact, help, about, version. You can either follow them on Telegram, Twitter and Telegram. Then if we scroll further, we can also follow them on Facebook and YouTube. So let's go to reward. Now when we come to reward, it says wallet promotion campaign, 4 months left to earn 5 pointer per each referral. At the end of the campaign, your points will be automatically converted to GNT. So what we have to do, you enter the campaign ID, the person that referred you, you enter the campaign ID here so you can get your registration bonus, and the person that referred you will also get his own registration bonus. So what I'll do, I'll enter the code here, referral ID or campaign ID or promotional ID. I'll enter it there. After which I've done that, I'll click on join the campaign. Click on join the campaign. Successful. Now I have joined the campaign. It says, if you scroll further, I have my referral ID, which is here. So when I invite someone, I'm going to send them this referral ID. It says you earn, now if we scroll further, the information here, reward, say you earn 5 points per each referral. At the end of the campaign, your point will be automatically converted to GNT. The conversion rate will be calculated based on the number of participants and total points acquired by all participants. Caution: any form of cheating will be blocked and the perpetrator will be permanently suspended from the event. Kindly avoid the use of misleading face while promoting your link. Okay guys, if you are watching this video, please ensure you don't try to play smart. So what you do, just copy your invitation link so that others can join. So that's what I'll do. I'll click on copy and invite friends. So I'll take it back. Now skip the information. Then now my campaign has started. So the next thing I'll do, I have to start inviting friends. Now if you can see here, the campaign will end by October and it started June 30th. So it is better you start referring others. Currently my point is 0, so when I refer someone I tend to earn my own points. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If it's been helpful to you, do ensure you subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends and loved ones. I remain your friend Desmond on Money Coin apps and airdrop. Do have a wonderful day and bye for now.